Hi guys, and welcome to another week of State of the Market. As you know, I am Mark Fattori and I'm joined by my lovely co-host Jennifer Budol. And this week we have a jam-packed episode on the latest news across Sydney and Brisbane.
The Urban Developer's latest Sydney housing market insights reveals that the city's median price at the moment is around $1.4 million, although the breakneck pace of the growth has subsided as the market cools and Sydney house prices drop for the first time in 18 months. Following years of record-breaking price growth, Sydney has recorded its first contraction in prices over February and March across both houses and units. House prices dropped fractionally by 0.1%, but the median house price has continued its upward growth by 20% over the past 12 months to a median value of $1.4 million.
Just feels like it keeps going up. So Sydney's monthly rate of growth has 3.9% since its high of 3.7% this time last year. The fastest 4-week increase the city has experienced in over 3 decades. CoreLogic head of research Tim Lawless said Sydney's growth rate had seen the most significant slowdown in the country, falling from a peak of 9.3% in the 3 months to May 21 to 0.3% in the first quarter of 22. The price of a typical house in Sydney has multiplied by 17 times in the past 40 years, almost 3 times faster than wages. The median house price in Sydney in 1981 was $78,900, 5 times the national full-time average annual earnings of $15,800 in 2021. The median house price is $1.3 million, 14 times the average income.
Latest Brisbane housing market insights revealed that the city's house prices have increased by a staggering 32% in the past 12 months. Brisbane had another bumper to the start of the year for both housing and apartment prices, while the market in Sydney and Melbourne were on the way down. Dwelling prices kept increasing at a steady pace, up to 7.2% for the past quarter to March, the fastest rate of any capital city. According to CoreLogic, a typical Brisbane house is about $47,000 more expensive than it was at the beginning of January, whilst units were up $21,000. These properties were providing sellers with a gross yield of 3.4% and 4.8% respectively, making apartments a better prospect for investors themselves.
Interesting times ahead, especially for that. Although the pace of price growth was slower than 2021, there were no signs property values would drop as increased interstate migration, low stock and heightened demand were expected to continue. Brisbane's house prices have increased by a staggering 32.1% in the past 12 months, with the median price now $856,731. Across all suburbs in Brisbane, not one has seen a drop in quarterly or annual prices for houses, while unit prices have dropped less than 0.1% in some places. Overall, apartment price growth was up on 2021 levels, increasing at 14.4% in the year to March. This was compared to 12.7% in the year to December. Favourable conditions have been forecast for Australia's smaller cities, including Brisbane, in the year to come due to comparative affordability and a lack of supply. Meanwhile, the 2032 Brisbane Olympics are expected to push prices higher in the next decade. This will be supported by new infrastructure, including those signed off in the $1.8 billion South East Queensland City deal.
Well, quite some news to hear on a Tuesday. A special thank you to our client for reaching out and suggesting we discuss the housing market insights across Sydney and Brisbane. If you guys would like to know more and you want to suggest some options or things we can discuss for you through your investment journey, please contact Mark or myself as well to help you gain a better understanding of how we can assist you with your long-term needs and goals. Until next time, guys, enjoy. See you.
See you guys.